complex, and it's just like, it's so cool.
Yeah.
And this thing goes down over the hill. See, there's all the Audis.
Yeah. Wow.
Yep. It's just so, like, sick. Now, like we could buy a Mustang. Like, we could afford a used Mustang, you know? But it's like, it goes, look, it goes all the way down.
I was like, why do we go what we want?
I have to decide what I want.
Yeah.
They let you use the restroom? I'm going to have to use the restroom.
Yeah. They're real nice.
Yeah, they are. They got all these cool cars. How could they not be nice? They're like super awesome.
All right, let's sit on all this information this weekend.
Yeah, we got to digest this stuff.
I do like
Now, look at this color. Now, if that Tucson was that color,
Yeah.
look at that green. My dad had a Mustang that was that color. That's beautiful. He had a 75